Singaporean rice is a delicious Pakistani fusion rice which was originated in Karachi and was popularized as an exotic dish in weddings. It's not from Singapore. In fact, it has nothing to do with Singapore at all. This dish is layered with rice, noodles, a chicken curry, some stir-fried vegetables and topped with a mayo sauce. It's a complete meal in itself and also it's pretty impressive to look at. To make the chicken curry, I have taken 5 to 6 chopped garlic cloves and about half kg boneless chicken in cubes. In sauces, I have taken 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. I have taken half cup of ketchup, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder and half teaspoon of chili powder. Now in a frying pan, I have added around 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now I will add chopped garlic in it and stir fry it for some time. Now I will add the chicken in it and fry until it changes the color. Now I will add all the spices in it and mix well. Now after some time I'll add the vinegar and the soya sauce. Now I will add the chili sauce and half cup of ketchup in it. Now I will add a little bit of water in it and cook for more 3 to 4 minutes. Now I will dish it out in a bowl. I have taken around half kg washed rice. I have used the normal size rice that we use at our home on daily basis. Now I will add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once it is hot, I will add the rice. I'll add the water in it, which is almost an inch above the rice. I have added 2 teaspoons of salt in it. And now I will let it cook. As you can see, the rice has soaked all the water. At this time, I will cover it and let it cook in its steam over a slow flame. Now in a separate pan, boil some water and add 1 teaspoon of salt in it and some oil. Now I will add around 200 grams of spaghetti in it. As you can see, I have broken these into half so that it's easier while we are eating. Now I will let it cook until it is done. I have drained the spaghetti and now I am washing it with running water. Now I will stir fry some vegetables. For this, I have taken around 2 tablespoons of oil in a frying pan. I have taken almost 2 to 3 carrots, 1 onion, around 1 cup of cabbage and 2 bell peppers. I have cut all of them into julienne cut. Now I will stir fry all of these vegetables, less capsicum, which I will add later so that it remains a bit crunchy. Now after some time I have added bell pepper in it and now I'll stir fry it again. I will add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper in it. Now for the mayo sauce, I have taken half cup of mayonnaise. I will add around 2 tablespoons of ketchup in it, around 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, quarter teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and now I will mix all these very well. Now as you can see, the rice are done. Now I will start assembling. I will spread a layer of spaghetti on top of it. Then I will add a layer of chicken gravy. Then I will put all the stir-fried veggies on top. Lastly, I will pour all the mayo sauce on the top and it's ready to be served. Please do try this recipe and let me know in the comments below. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.